Good morning, students. Welcome to online mathematics class day 4. Before we start with the work, let us close our eyes and observe a minute silence and pray for peace within and outside us. Okay. So today we'll continue with exercise 6.3. But before we start the exercise, let us first understand what are like fractions and what are unlike fractions. Two or more fractions having the same denominators are called like fractions. So 6 upon 7, 11 upon 7, 85 upon 7. Everywhere you can see that the denominator is same. So we can say that these fractions are like fraction. Now come to unlike fractions. Two or more fractions having different denominators. Now if you see this example, here the denominator is 5, in this case it is 7, then 9. So every time denominator is different. So we can say these fractions are unlike fractions. Now let's come to the exercise. The first thing that we are going to do today is how to convert fractions to its simplest form. Simplest form means the form in which we cannot further reduce it. So I am taking this question. This is 276 upon 115. Now there are two ways we can reduce this to the simplest form. First is that we find out a common factor between the two numbers and cancel it with that common factor. And again we find out the common factor and then further cancel it, and so on, and we will reach to the simplest form. The other method that I am going to use is, instead of finding a common factor and every time dividing the number, we will find out the highest common factor of the two numbers. So let's first find out the highest common factor of the two numbers. Here I have used division method. So in division method we write the smaller number here and bigger number here. This will be divisible by 2. So it is 230. Now cancel it. This will become 46. Now next time this 115 becomes the dividend. Then solve it again. So this is 2. So this time it becomes 92. Then again subtract it. This becomes 23. Now this will come here. Then solve it again. So what we get this time, it is equal to 0. This means that HCF of the two number is 23. You people have already done HCF in your previous classes. So it is not necessary that you use the same division method. You can use the other method also. Now HCF of these two number is 23. So now to convert this to the simplest form, we'll divide these two numbers by 23. So when you divide the number, it will become 12 upon 5. That is the simplest form of this fraction. Now come to the next question. Next question is, check whether the given pair of fractions are equivalent or not. So we have 4 upon 6 and 30 upon 20. Now to check whether these two pair of fractions are equivalent or not, we cross multiply them. Cross multiply means denominator with this numerator and this denominator with this numerator. This is cross. Now after this what we do, we find out the product of the two number, and if the product is same, then we can say that the fractions are equivalent fractions, and if it is not, then we can say that they are not equivalent fraction. So 20 will be multiplied by 4 and 6 will be multiplied by 30. So 4 into 20 is 80 and 6 into 30 is 180. Now as we can see that these two products are not same, this means that 4 upon 6 is not equivalent to 30 upon 20. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now let's come to the next question. you have to replace this box by the correct number. And one thing is mentioned here, that is this equality sign. Now this means that these two fractions are equivalent fractions. So now to find out the number here, what we'll do, whatever is the given part. In this case, numerators are given. So we'll divide the two numerator and we'll get the factor. The factor here is 3. Now from a bigger number, we are moving to the smaller number. This means we have to divide. So now we'll divide 12 upon 15 by 3. So once you divide 12 upon 15 by 3, you get 4 upon 5. So the correct number that can be replaced with this box is 5. Now let's come to the next question, that is convert given fraction into equivalent like fractions. So these three fractions are given here and these are unlike fractions. Why? Because the denominator is different. What we have to do, we have to multiply it with a number, and that's why we are using this word equivalent. So we'll multiply it with a number such that in each and every case denominator becomes equal. And to do so, what we have to do, we have to first find out the LCM of the three numbers. So LCM of the denominators, so 4, 6 and 8. LCM is 24. You can find out LCM like this. All the three numbers are divisible by 2, so you divide it by 2. You get these numbers here. Again, you can divide by 2. So this will become 1, 3 and 2. Now no need to further divide it since these are prime numbers here. So this is 1, 2, 3 times 2 and 1 time 3. So this becomes 24. Now to convert these fractions to equivalent form, we have to find out a number here with which I multiply 3 upon 4 such that it becomes 24. So 4 6 is 24, and this is the reason why I have multiplied this fraction with 6. So 3 6 18 and 4 6 24. Now come to the next part, 5 upon 6. Now 6 should be multiplied by 4 so that it becomes 24. And if I am multiplying in the denominator, I have to multiply the numerator as well with the same number. So 5 into 4, 20. So this becomes 20 upon 24. Now next question, the next part is 7 upon 8. Now 8 should be multiplied by 3 so that it becomes 24. So if I am multiplying the denominator with 3, then numerator will also be multiplied by 3. So 7 into 3, 21. So now if you see all these fractions, these are the equivalent form of the previous fraction. So that's why we are using this word equivalent. And second part, they are like fractions. Why? Because each time the denominator is 24. Now this is it for today. Again, we are doing the same thing. I am sending you the picture of the exercise, and I will mention the instructions in the instructions that how many questions you have to do. Complete your work and send the work to the teacher's mail ID. Thank you so much. Before we wind up the class, again, let us observe a minute silence. Thank you so much.